So they didn't use enough glue.
Yeah, no glue
Right?
there at all. And I'm guessing it's probably the block wall.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's definitely a block wall. It just didn't have enough glue. It could do a repair here, yeah.
Yeah.
What would you do? Just rip off that?
We would take everything loose, take the wall cap off. I'm guessing we probably would do the whole thing, Ray, or yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's loose over here as well.
Yeah, just figure
It's
do the whole
going to
thing.
get worse.
Yeah, that's what I would do. Take the wall cap off, screw a 1/2-inch ISO board into the block wall. You have to have a barrier between the block wall and the rubber so the glue can adhere to something solid without taking in moisture.
But this down here is okay.
The lower roof here is fine. There's a lot of years in this one. Yep. With the ice and snow coming down here, he should put a snow protection here. Because if your ice comes flying down, it could cut into this. That's the first thing I look for, but
never thought of that, man.